Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So on today's video, I decided to do a Target haul because I went shopping the other day and I found, it's not a big haul, but I found a few things that I wanted to share with you guys. By the way, this is my new plant. I don't know if I introduced her last time. Her name is Emerson. I got it from a shop that just opened by one of my friends that I used to work with. She decided to open up her own plant shop. It's actually called Good Roots, and it's in Glen Ellen, Illinois. If you guys are from that area, definitely check it out. If you guys like plants and stuff like that, I'll put her Instagram handle so you guys can check out, you know, the vibe. Everything in there is like super chill. It's so like the energy when you go in there, it's so nice. So here she is. It's so cute. She's so sassy. I think it's like perfect for a beauty room. Like I said, this haul is not that big, but nonetheless, I like hauls. I like watching what people are buying, especially at Target. So I thought I'd share with you guys. And I'm gonna start with what I'm wearing right now. I couldn't wait to wear them. Here, let me take it off. At first I thought that they were just like this like ordinary thick gold hoop. This is by the brand A New Day. But when I finally got them home, it has like the cutest little detail. I don't know if you guys can see on camera, but right behind the hoop, there's a little diamond in there. I don't know if people can even see it when you're wearing it, but I thought that was a really cute touch. And then it's not quite like a solid bar, it's like hammered. I don't know if that's the correct term, but it's hammered. And then at the end it has this little like stopper. It's so cute. I wore them today and they are not heavy at all. They feel heavy in my hand, but once you have them on, I feel like they're like the perfect size. They're not too big, not too small. But I don't know, I thought these were nice, and I think they were like $7 or $8, which I thought that was a very good price. Considering I don't really wear a lot of earrings, I kind of want to get back into that, but I don't know, I think these are the perfect ones to start with. Super cute. All right, the next thing that I got, which I'm dying to start using this because I've been using Harry's razors. I actually did a review on them a long time ago. I think it was maybe 2 years ago. And I think this is the feminine version of the Harry's razor. So this is the flamingo, and I got the lilac-y color with the rose gold like bottom metal thing. It comes with a razor handle, 5 blade cartridges, 2 of them, and then 1 shower holder, which I need that because I feel like I always drop my razors and they always like shatter, like the head always comes off and then it breaks. I don't know, so I got that. Only $10, guys, and to replace the cartridges, I think they're like $6 or $7, and it's like a pack of 5. I thought it was a good deal. You keep the handle, you just kind of replace it. I mean, I think you guys know the concept of razors, but yeah, this is the female version of the Harry's razor, so hopefully this one is good. The Harry's is just as good, I just needed a new one, and the one I have is like a hunter green. This is more girly. They have other colors, so if you guys don't like this color, I have like a pink one, blue, orange, I think like 5 colors, but yeah, all pretty colors. I just for some reason like this one. I think it's because of the metal was like rose gold. Next item is actually a clothing item. I'm gonna put a picture of the actual dress on the screen because, let me move to the side so I can put the picture right here, because obviously I can't show it, but it's a really pretty dress. You can wear it off the shoulder or on top, and it has like puff sleeves. I think, I'm not a fan of the puff sleeves, so I think I'm gonna wear it like a little more cinched in, because otherwise they're like poofy, and I don't know how I feel about that. I saw it on who was wearing it? Dress Up Buttercup on Instagram was wearing it, and I thought it was really cute, so I went and got it, and it's only 25 bucks, and it's by the brand Wild Fable. If you don't like this color, they have a blue, they have a black, and I think one more color that I can't remember, but it's so cute. It runs short is what they said, so I actually fit in an extra small and a small, but I went with the small because the extra small is really short. So yeah. Next item, I also cheated with this one because I actually have it on my nails already. So if you were checking out my nail color, it's actually this one. It's by the brand Essie, and this is their Expressi line, which is supposed to be a fast drying nail polish. This is in the color Bolt and Be Bold. I was pretty much just looking for a burnt orange color for the fall, and I do usually do gel polish, but sometimes when baby calls, I don't have time to do like the whole gel polish procedure, so I like to just pop on a regular nail polish, especially for videos. But either way, like, I like my nails painted. If you didn't guess already, like, they always have to be painted. It's very rare when I don't have my nails painted. So I thought this was a really cute color for the fall. I have it on my toes as well, and it's a really cute color. So yeah, bolt and be bold. Next item is to go along with the shaver. Are any of you guys picky when it comes to shaving cream? I feel like I'm not. Like, sometimes I use oil to shave my legs. Sometimes I even use my conditioner if I run out of these things. But this one was just like a couple bucks and I saw it. It's supposed to be for ultra sensitive skin. And I do have some bumps on my legs, so I thought might as well go with the ultra sensitive, which now as I'm saying it, I think maybe I have the bumps because I just throw on whatever and then shave. Sometimes I don't even put anything on and I still shave. But anyways, I got this one. This is by the brand Satin Care. Like I said, it was a couple bucks and it's for sensitive skin, so we shall see. I don't know if it has fragrance. I'm sure it doesn't if it's for sensitive skin. So I mean, it has lavender oil, so I'm sure it smells okay. Last but not least is this right here. I love a good dry shampoo, and I've had people ask me before, especially when I worked at a hair salon. A lot of my clients would ask, what do you use on your hair for your curls? Because my hair is naturally straight, so usually I'll throw in a curl, sometimes a little tighter than this, and my clients would always ask me, like, what do you use to hold a curl? And I don't like hairspray. I would almost always recommend a dry shampoo to my clients or a very light finishing hairspray. No mega hold, no medium hold, nothing like that. I just don't like the feeling, and I feel like your curls last longer or could last longer if you don't fuss too much with product, because I feel like sometimes depending on what you put on, it tends to weigh down your hair, and especially if your hair is long already, it's just best not to have too much on. But I do, like I said, like a good dry shampoo, and I occasionally like a finishing hairspray because those, I don't know if I said it, those tend to be a lot lighter in like finishes and hold. So I saw this at Target. This is by the brand SGX NYC. And this is called the Do It All 3-in-1 Dry Texture Spray. And when I read what it's supposed to do, it's supposed to give you volume, which I love and I need right now because I'm losing a lot of hair. It's supposed to refresh your hair, and it gives you hold. And at the bottom, it says dry shampoo meets hairspray, which I think is the best combo. So yeah, I'm gonna test it out and let you guys know how I feel. I know, like, as far as my favorite dry shampoo right now, it has to be hands down Husk, the citrus, charcoal citrus one. That one is amazing. They do carry it at Target. I think you could buy it at Walgreens also. But this one, let me see, does it smell good? I can't smell anything. Oh yeah, it smells good. It smells clean. I actually like that scent. So yeah, I'm actually really excited to use this because, like I said, I don't like too much hairspray on my hair, but I do like a good dry shampoo, especially now that I don't wash my hair every day. This is actually just second day hair, and I do have a little bit of like the Husk dry shampoo, and I think that does the job. But sometimes, especially with humidity, I feel like if I have a tiny bit of hold, it's okay. So we'll see how this works. If you guys want to know how it ends up working, just stay tuned. That is it for the haul. Like I said, it was super small. It was just some items that I needed to get. But yeah, hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.